Good morning, dear children. Today we will start with exercise 2.4 and the chapter explanation. This exercise explanation we have discussed in the previous lectures, division of fractions. So this exercise is based on division of fractions. Starting with the first question, find the reciprocal of the following. Reciprocal, we just the numerator to the denominator side and the denominator to the numerator side. So next is 3 upon 7. The reciprocal will be 7 upon 3. 13 upon 9. The reciprocal will be 9 upon 13. 8 we can write as 8 upon 1. Therefore we can write the reciprocal of it can be written as 1 upon 8. Next question number 2. Question number 2, evaluate the following. In this we will do question number 2 and question number 3. Question number 2, 5 divided by 3 whole 4 upon 7. Now 5 divided by 3 whole 4 by 7. First step is that 3s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25 upon 7. Now 5 divided by 25 upon 7. Now in divide rule we know that the next fraction, the sign is changed with and the fraction is reciprocal. So 5 multiply 25 upon 7 will be 7 upon 25. Now we can write as 5 upon 1 into 7 upon 25. Now here what we will see, we can see what can be reduced. What can be reduced? Here what we can see, 5 ones are and here 5 fives are. So it will come 7 upon 5. See what has come here, 7 upon 5. Because the question is given in mixed fraction, therefore we can divide it and change into mixed fraction. 1 whole 2 upon 5 will be the answer. Now next question, 3 whole 1 upon 5 divided by 1 whole 2 upon 3. First step we will change into improper fraction. 3 whole 1 upon 5, when we will change, it will come 16 upon 5 divided by 5 upon 3. Next step is the next fraction will be reciprocal with multiplication sign. 16 upon 5 into 3 upon 5. Now next step, we will first try to reduce it. If it is not reducing, we will multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So here it is not reducing, so we will simply multiply it, 48 upon 25, and then we will change into mixed fraction. That will be 1 pieces each 5 whole 1 upon 6 meter long can be cut from a cloth of 77 whole 1 upon 2 meter long cloth. Now there is one cloth, and from this cloth you have to cut pieces of 5 whole 1 upon 6 meter. This whole cloth is 77 whole 1 upon 2 meter long, and from this you have to cut 5 whole 1 upon 6 meters pieces. It is asked that how many pieces it will be cut from this. So from this big cloth, how many small pieces can be cut? So from big, if you have to take out small number, means you have to divide. Now question is what? Means which number you will write first and which number you will write second. From this 77 whole 1 upon 2, you have to cut this much pieces. So this will be written first, 77 whole 1 upon 2, and after that we will write 5 whole 1 upon 6. Therefore we have written 77 whole 1 upon 2 divided by 5 whole 1 upon 6. This is important. Which fraction you will write first and which fraction you will write the next. Because here divide you are doing and the fraction which is the second fraction will be reciprocal. So this you have to see, this you have to keep in mind that which fraction will be kept first and which will be kept on the second position. Now we will solve it. 155 upon 2 divided by 31 upon 6. Simply we will reduce by changing 15 pieces will be there. Now question number 4. Question number 4. By what number should 4 whole 7 upon 8 be multiplied to get 87 whole 3 upon 4? By what number will 4 whole 7 upon 8 be multiplied to get 87 whole 3 upon 4? Now here which equation we can make? Here we can make this equation. 4 whole 7 upon 8 into what number we will multiply will be an answer we will get 351, or you can say 87 whole 3 upon 4. We have changed into mixed fraction. Now here what we can say is required number will be equal to this. When we will bring it to the other side, because here multiply sign is there, it will change into divide. So 351 upon 4 divided by 4 whole 7 upon 8, and then we will solve it. We will get the answer 18. Question number 5. In a hostel's mess, each student gets 1/3 liter of milk every day. If the total milk consumption of the milk is 57 whole 2/3 liters per day, how many students are there in the hostel? Same type of question as question number 3 was there. Means this much milk was coming every day. 57 whole 2 upon 3 liters was coming every day. From that 1/3 liter each student of milk, each student is getting 1/3 liters of milk each student is getting. Here it is asked how many students are there. So from the big amount, this is the big amount 57 whole 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 3. We will change into mixed fraction, we will change into improper, and then we will solve it. Now question number 6. The cost of 5 whole 1 upon 4 kg apple is 336. What is the rate of 1 kg apple? Whenever it is asked of 1 kg or anything, 1, we divide it. Now cost of 5 whole 1 upon 4 kg apple is 336. Now cost of 1 kg 336 divided by 5 whole 1 upon 4. So 336 divided by 21 upon 4, that is 336 into 4 upon 24, that is means 1 kg apple is costing rupees 64. Question number 7. Now the length of the rectangular plot of area is 68 whole 3 upon 4 square meter is 12 whole 1 upon 2 meter. The length is 12 whole 1 upon 2 meter and the area is 68 whole 3 upon 4 square meter. Find its width. Area is given, length is given, you have to take out the width. We know that area is equal to length into width, and we have to take out width, so we can say that width will be equal by length. 275 upon 4 divided by 25 upon 2, and answer here we will get, and width will be equal to 5 whole 1 upon 2 meter. Next, question 8. If the cost of 5 whole 1 upon 2 kg of sugar is 206 whole 1 upon 4, then find the cost of 8 whole 1 upon 4 kg of sugar. To take out the cost of 8 whole 1 upon 4 kg of sugar, we have to take out the cost of 1 kg of sugar. To take out cost of 1 kg of sugar, from here first we will divide it and we will take out the cost of 1 kg of sugar, and then whatever price will come we will multiply with 8 whole 1 upon 4 kg and we will get the answer. Now cost of 5 whole 1 upon 2 kg of sugar is equal to 206 whole 1 upon 4, means 325 upon 4. Therefore 1 kg of sugar will cost 825 divided by 4 divided by 5 whole 1 upon 2, and answer will be here, means cost of 1 kg will be equal to 75 upon 2. Next, we have to take out the cost of 8 whole 1 upon 4 kg of sugar. 1 kg is costing 75 upon 2. So 8 whole 1 upon 4 kg. 1 kg cost is given and we have to take out more than 1. Then we will multiply. So when we will multiply, we will get rupees 309 whole 3 upon 8. This will be your answer. Now question number 9. On 4 hours. Again, in 2 hours it is given. So we will take out in 1 hour how much work she will complete. So in 1 hour first we will take out. So we will divide it. In 2 hours homework in completed 2 upon 3. So in 1 hour again divide 2 upon 3 divided by 2, it will come 1 upon 3. Now in 1 hour she completes 1 upon 3. So in 1 whole 1 upon 4 hours we will simply multiply it and we will get answer 5 upon 12 parts she complete in 1 whole 1 upon 4 hours. This was exercise 2.4. Now next decimal we will start in the next lecture. Thank you.